guys, welcome into my cooking class. Cooking class, but it's not about tours? Yes, it's true, you are in the right place, but let me explain better. Today I show you the best recipe for the perfect tour. First, ingredient. Choose the place you wish to go, and in Rome the choice is very wide. Colosseum, Vatican, Roman Forum, Spanish Steps, Trevi Fountain, many museums, is all about you. Second ingredient, choose the right guide, ex-me, for example. Third ingredient is the last one, but is the most important one. What is it? It's you. You with your curiosity, your smile, your desire for knowledge that make the difference. So, that's my cooking recipe for the perfect tour. So, guys, I hope to see you soon. Book me, contact me, and, of course, all the time, cheers, salute!